Hello everyone, Michelle Davis here, product owner with Web Presented. In this video, we'll show you how the recommendations based on purchase history works. This feature is located on the suggested products page in analytics at the customer level. The recommended products section uses AI in conjunction with the customer's order history and the order history of other customers. It looks for patterns in purchasing to recommend items that other customers frequently ordered with products that this customer has purchased also. Let's say your customer always purchases paper coffee cups. Other customers that purchase these cups also tend to purchase various types of lids and the cup sleeve. These would be the types of recommendations that display that help users to be proactive with their selling. So let's take a closer look. So if I hover over a product, you can see that I have some options. So here I can select pricing and inventory, which is a hyperlink. And when I select that, it's going to bring me over to the pricing and inventory tab in the quotes module. It already has my customer brought up for me and it selects that product. So here I can see more information that's recommended. Come back to analytics, and again, when I hover over, you'll see that I have an approve suggestion or a reject suggestion. So this is a way where I can give feedback to the AI engine that runs behind the scenes. This is just going to help with refining those suggestions, the more feedback that I can provide. So on this one, I'm going to hit the approve suggestion. See that thumbs up go. And just to see what it looks like on this one, I'm going to hit the reject suggestion. So you can see that that removes it from my list. Now, I do have one more way of providing feedback. So if I select this particular product, you'll notice that the action pane pops open on the right-hand side. So these are all standard actions that we've seen before in analytics, but there are an additional 2 actions that can be taken with products in this section here: send email and remove products. So if I remove the product, I want to provide a reason. And so there are some reasons listed here. And the last one is going to provide me with an open text field that I can type in what that reason is. And this again is just going to provide better data for refining those suggestions that appear in this area. Now, if I have one of the items selected down here and I select an item up top, you'll notice that those last 2 options on the right-hand side disappear. That was the send email and remove suggestion, because those 2 options are not applicable to products that are in this section up here. So as soon as I deselect from here, you'll see that those options jump back. All right, so now I'm going to select a couple of these and I want to take action. So I can do a new opportunity, a new quote, a task, an appointment. I can add a note onto the account about these recommended products. I'm going to go ahead and select new quote. Now, selecting new quote jumps me over to the quote module, brings open a new quote, and automatically drops those 2 products onto a quote for me. And you can see that I have my customer already assigned to the quote. So I definitely have a head start. Now, you'll also see on the right here, I have these suggested products. Now, if this was not showing when I first came into the screen, you'll see this hyperlink called Show Suggestions. When I select that, it pops that open. So again, this is here to help me with proactive selling, and I can easily add these items onto the quote. So you can see when I highlight them, I get the option to add to the quote. I also still have the thumbs up and thumbs down, so if I want to provide feedback on these suggestions from this screen, I most certainly can. And that's it for recommended products. Thanks for watching.